कि equally मतलब as not that anyone will get more, other person will get less. Equally means same. So at that time we use division. Those who are absent, for them just I'm revising. So in this video, no, total you can see this situation was given. You can see how many rabbits are there. So 4 rabbits and 8 carrots. So here it is written to divide this among 4 rabbits, right? That is written. So this we have solved yesterday. Then I have explained that notes.
मैम हमने पहले जो फर्स्ट लेक्चर किया था वो फिर से एक बार रिवाइज करा था।
हाँ. And this also I have explained what we call, no, after doing the sum, like what we get upside. You can see here 55 divided by 9, so we'll get 6. I will get 6, that also I'm showing. Suppose if I'm writing the same sum again, 55 divided by 9. So you all know the table of 9, that in that 55 is not there. So which number you will take? 6 are 54. So what you will get up, no? That is quotient, and what is left, no? Left over. You can see the definitions are given. Remainder means ke what is left, that. जो बचेगा नीचे, that. And the result which you will get upside, no? That is quotient. So these terms I have explained last time. And then today we have started this division sum. So in this I told you the first condition is that you must write the table. मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कैसे कंडीशन थी कि भाई टेबल आने चाहिए तो ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा, वैसे इसमें भी डिवीजन तब कर पाओगे जब वो टेबल लिख पाओगे. And it is very easy to write the table. How to write? So simply you just have to write that table 51 ones are, twos are, threes are, fours are, fives are, that way. And then you can do multiplication of each, and then you can write the answer. So this table, I guess nobody has doubt, right? How to write a table? Or if you have doubt, you can ask me. Then next I have explained about this. You can see inside a number, that is how many digit number?
5
This one. This is 5 digit number, and outside this number 51. That is 2 digit number.
digit number
So whenever you divide directly, you cannot divide that 5 digit number. You don't have to take this 5 digits together. एक साथ नहीं लेने हैं. तो कैसे लेना है? थोड़े थोड़े करके.
digit
हाँ. So suppose the outside number is 2 digit number, so you can take 2 digit. But अगर वो 2 digit इससे छोटा है, you can see 12. So what do you think, which is greater, 51 and 12?
121
हाँ, so that's why we are taking 3 digits. Okay, 126. और फिर वो लेने के बाद you to see कि ये जो टेबल है 51, in that you to see 126 is there, n is a, so it's not there, right? So you have to take this one. हाँ, 102, 52 twos are, so that twos are, no, so that two you have to write up. Then 51 twos are 102, so that you have to write, subtract, and take the next digit down. Again same way, see the table, write the number, subtract, and take another digit down. Again see the table, write the number, and subtract. Now is there anyone who has doubt in this?
no ma'am
Yes.
I am telling that in the Bible also I could given a full table.
Yes. बाकी सब में if you will see the PDF, no, which I have sent, so in that in few tables I have written full, क्योंकि कोई कोई में डिवीजन के लिए सब टेबल्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. मतलब सब 10 तक. So you can write only 8 7 that much. Means in that PDF also you will see.
Okay.
In exam also it depends कि भाई कितना चाहिए. You can write according to that. Or you can write full table as you wish. Okay, now we are doing that check the answer only for first only, not other. Other we will not check. Okay, only we are checking the first one. So first I'm giving the heading, check your answer that. And how many of you have finished this? I forgot to give you time. Like whose notes are complete if they want to write this first
I
one.
finished,
So do you want to
I
write
finished
right now?
Fatima Bahar.
Okay. Do you want time anyone to write this? Any other girls? Or you will write
No, ma'am.
afterward? Or you have already written?
I have already written.
Okay. Other girls, select any option. Afterward you will write you have already written or you want to write right now. So I can give you time.
I right now. Already written.
Okay.
Already written now.
Okay.
Already.
Okay. Okay, good. And whose mic is that? I guess someone forgot to just mute the mic.
Ma'am, I want to write now.
You want to write? I'm showing again. You can write it. And then after you finish, please inform me so that we can start. Another any girls also, if you want to write fast and then inform me after you finish. Have you finished? Whoever was asking me. Shall I wait for anybody?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start now. So suppose if you remember, no, when we were doing subtraction and that, like if subtraction is like 10 minus 3. So what you will get? 10 minus 3. How many you will get? 10 minus 3? 7,
7.
right? And
7.
how you can check the answer? This is subtraction sum, okay? And how can you check your answer? So you can just add these two. If you are getting the original question, then your answer is right. Like this two,
7
3
plus 3 is
plus
equal
7,
to 10 is
10. So you got the original number, it means your answer is right. तो एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में हम ऐसे मैच करते थे, इफ यू रिमेम्बर, ऐसे आंसर चेक करते थे, मीन्स व्हेन यू आर स्मॉल, in second third standard.
Yes, ma'am.
So right now in division also, I guess this division was also there in third and fourth standard. So I'm just teaching you, okay, how can we match or check our answer. So there is one formula, so that formula you have to learn. This is formula that which two number we will multiply and what you will add, so you will get the original number. Original number means जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर होता है ना, वो सिंबल के अंदर, वो वाला. And this is that portion, okay, and then plus remainder. I'm writing in short, but you just learn full. तो यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन है. Now, those who want to give the answer, they can write the name in the chat box. Then Bajaj Fatima, tell me the names. My first question, I'm just saying the question, okay? Question ध्यान से सुनना. My question is, ये जो लिखा है, इसमें से कौन सी चीज है वो? मतलब सपोज किसी को हम रिमाइंडर बोलते हैं, किसी को क्वेश्चन बोलते हैं, किसी को डिवीजन बोलते हैं. तब इसमें से ये क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग डिविडेंड किसको बोलेंगे, डिवीजन किसको बोलेंगे, क्वेश्चन किसको बोलेंगे, रिमाइंडर किसको बोलेंगे, ये क्वेश्चन में से आर और क्यू तो मैंने ऑलरेडी लिख लिया है बाय मिस्टेक, यही क्वेश्चन में सेम. So who anyone has written the name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Mariam
ma'am.
Bodiwala.
Okay. So
Mariam
Bodiwala,
Bodiwala.
हाँ, you can tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, you can tell me the answer.
Ma'am, can you please explain?
हाँ, okay. I have written this formula and these terms, no, I have already explained. ये जो notes थी उसमें सबकी definition थी, right? कि किसको क्या बोलते हैं, if everyone remembers. याद है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so this was that notes. In this you can see, this is the sum. In this sum you can see I have label कि कौन सी चीज को क्या बोलते हैं, right?
Yes.
So first everyone learn this. जो नीचे जो बाकी रहता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, जो अंदर जो नंबर होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, बाहर नंबर होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, ऊपर जो रिजल्ट आता है दिस वन, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, अंदर के नंबर को क्या बोलते हैं, बाहर वाले नंबर को और नीचे वाले नंबर को, इसके अलग अलग नेम्स है. तो प्लीज लर्न इट. एरो है ना,
Ma'am,
मतलब कि
I
ये
don't
उसका नहीं.
understand the sum.
क्या?
I don't understand. मुझे sum समझ में नहीं आया.
ये 955 डिवाइड बाई 9.
मेरे करती है फिर तो पूछिए. अच्छा डिवीजन है ये मैं सब
हाँ,
सेक्शन
55 डिवाइड बाई 9. अभी जस्ट मैंने वही समझाया था ना स्टार्टिंग में, कि in the table of 9 55 is not there. It means how many you will take? 55 डिवाइड बाई 9. 55 तो आता नहीं है, तो क्या लेंगे?
54.
हाँ, 6 राइट.
Yes.
फिर क्या बचेगा?
1.
तो जो बचेगा
1
उसको
को
हम
भी
रिमाइंडर बोलेंगे,
6
ये
को
अंदर वाले
5
नंबर को डिविडेंड
क्वेश्चन है.
बोलेंगे, ऊपर वाले नंबर को क्वोशिएंट बोलेंगे और बाहर वाले नंबर को डिवीजन बोलेंगे. ओके. और कोई डाउट किसी को? दिस इज दैट डिवीजन सम ओनली. डिवीजन का सम करने के बाद किस कौन से नंबर को कौन से पार्ट को क्या बोलते हैं वो इसमें है, और
The
ये नोट्स में भी
number,
मैंने वही समझाया था.
the number is divided, which is divided is called dividend.
So now you just have to tell me, you have to label that, okay? That in this question. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? R and Q I have already written. See, remainder means R, quotient means Q. तो ये अंदर जो नंबर है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे?
मैम जल्दी।
उसमें कैसे 55 को क्या हमने नाम दिया था? जिसको हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, जो भी नंबर हो जिसको हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Dividend.
यस। तो
Divided.
इसीलिए यहाँ पे हम वही लिखेंगे, ठीक है? और बाहर वाले नंबर को डिवीजन मतलब 51, राइट?
यस।
वो अगर समझ में आ जाएगा वो नोट्स, देन इट्स इजी। तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है, मतलब जो ऊपर हमें रिजल्ट मिला था, वो क्या है? ऊपर रिजल्ट क्या मिला था?
248.
यस, 248। और नीचे कितने नंबर्स बाकी रहे थे? चेक योर बुक एंड टेल मी।
मैम ये हम लोग को लिखने का है।
हाँ
ऐसे हम लोगों को लिखने का है।
हाँ, यू डिडंट चेक द पीडीएफ। वो पीडीएफ में भी मैंने वो चेक द आंसर करके वो दिखाए हैं। इफ यू विल सी दैट पीडीएफ, इफ यू हैव डाउनलोडेड दैट। हाँ तो बोलो, रिमाइंडर कितना था वो सम में?
38।
ये
हेलो मैम, इसे यही लिखना है। रिमाइंडर तो 38 था।
ये पूरा सम है जो पीडीएफ में दिए है, वैसे ही मैं करवा रही
38।
हूँ। यस,
38।
38। तो अभी हमें क्या करना है? ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है और उसमें इसको प्लस करना है। फिर अगर हमें यही वाला नंबर आ जाता है, मतलब कि हमारा आंसर राइट, तो चलो मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। Bajas Fatima, tell me the next name
ओके।
for multiplication.
इंशिया बोहरा।
Okay. Bora Inchia, do you want to do?
यस मैम। एक्सक्यूज मी
Okay.
मैम,
Yes.
वो करो ना, मैंने लिखने का बाकी है।
क्या?
आपने अभी जो पढ़ाया ना वो करो ना, मेरा लिखने का बाकी
मैं
है।
भी लिखने के लिए टाइम दे रही हूँ। अभी सिर्फ समझने का टाइम है, ठीक है? लिखने का टाइम अलग से मिलेगा।
ओके, ठीक है
तो
सर।
समझने के टाइम अगर लिखोगे तो फिर समझोगे कब? राइट? Yes, Bora Inchia.
यस मैम।
You have to do this multiplication sum. You tell me I am writing.
ओके। 1 8 जा 8,
Yes.
1 4 जा 4,
Yes.
1 2 जा 2,
Yes.
5 8 जा 40,
But you have to put
4
something
कैरी,
for the rule.
4 कैरी।
As per the rule, you have to put something, no?
यस, we put 0 and 4 carry
And as per
on
the
the
rule,
board.
we put the extra zero also, no? Then the other zero for that. 5 8s are 40. Remember, no?
Yes.
Hmm.
Then 5 4 5 4s are 20.
Yes. In that carry number, we will add.
On 2.
So 24. So 4 down and 2 carry. Then,
Yeah. Then 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is equal to 12.
very good.
मैंने बाद में भी हमको लिखने का है।
You
8
can whether write from PDF or whether write now. Because PDF I have already sent you.
8 plus 0 8, 4 plus 0 4, 2 plus 4, 6, 12.
So now we got the answer of this multiplication, this, right? 12, 6, 4, 8. सिर्फ वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन आंसर आया है। फिर अभी ये 38 को प्लस करना है। अभी ये 38 को प्लस करेंगे और फिर देखेंगे यही वाला नंबर आता है कि नहीं। So Bajaj Fatima, next name for that addition.
Ma'am, can I solve this?
No, Bajaj Fatima is giving the name. And those who are writing the name in the chat box, give me their names only, because I don't want to force anyone to give the answer.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Now we are adding this to, then we will see कि अगर आंसर सेम नंबर आ जाता है मतलब हमारा आंसर राइट है। And from B you don't have to check the answer, सिर्फ division. If you have seen the PDF in that also, I have given same way. Please download the PDF. Are you giving the name or shall I only take anyone's name? Okay, Houston has not come in the first lecture and wants to give the answer.
Ma'am, 1 minute I'm giving.
Okay.
Mama bodu Malkani Fatima.
Okay, Malka and Fatima's turn has not come, but just Fatima, so let's give the chance to her. Yes, Malka and Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Malka and Fatima. हाँ, yes.
16. 8 is the 16. 1
हाँ,
plus
8 plus 8,
16.
16. Then,
And 8.
then,
6, 6 का 6. 2
then,
का 2. Right.
yes, you can see we got the same number, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So now means K or that addition, sorry, division sum is right. जब ऐसे चेक करो और आंसर सेम आ जाए ना, ये सब प्रोसीजर करने के बाद सेम जो नंबर था क्वेश्चन में वही मिल जाए, मतलब कि हमारा आंसर राइट है। समझ में आ गया? सीवी पहले में ही दिखाना है, बाद में तो सिर्फ डिवीजन का ही सम। ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस? हाँ, तो डिवीजन तो सबको आता है
Yes,
ना अभी
ma'am.
टेबल बना के। हाँ, तो you can try the B right
Ma'am.
now only, and those who want to copy right now they
Okay.
can copy whether right now or from PDF. PDF में से करोगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है, because in that it's written clearly, you know. ऐसे मोबाइल में स्क्रीन पे लिखते तो अच्छे हैंड राइटिंग नहीं होते। In that I have written with good handwriting, so it will be easy for you. So are you trying that B? How many of you are trying B?
Yes, I am.
Mama Malkani Fatima.
Okay, try this B right now. I'm giving time. If you are confident in fair book, if you are not confident, then in rough book. Okay. Let you do in the rough book only, because maybe then try
Okay.
this in rough book. Then I'm just showing so that you can get your mistake. How many students are trying? Please say your name so that I can know.
Keshwani
I
Fatima
think
Shara.
Malkani Fatima. Malkani Fatima.
Saima Hasnani.
Okay.
Khairul Rahman.
I Keshwali
Zarina
Fatima.
Rabiani.
I Keshwali
Okay.
Fatima Mahdi Hassan.
Okay. And how many minutes you means how much time you want?
मैम मुझे 5 मिनट मालकानी फातिमा.
Okay. Main is a
Only
table.
5 minutes.
Okay. Maybe table will take too much of time.
But we have to also write 68 table and we know na.
हाँ. ट्राई करोगे तो हम तुम्हें मिस्टेक समझ में आएगी तो समझ में आएगा कहाँ तुम लोग मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं. So please try.
Judge के mic ज़्यादा ज़्यादा है.
Whose mic is that? Please mute your mic.
Done.
उसका भी माइक को म्यूट करो.
मैम फातिमा बजाज का mic on है.
Okay. Bajaj father, maybe by mistake your mic is unmute. Mute it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Check your answer. Compulsory है क्या?
क्या? Check your answers in A में. A में करना कंपलसरी है. B से सिर्फ डिवीजन.
Excuse me ma'am.
Yes.
मैम क्लास देखिए.
Someone's voice is breaking.
मैम फातिमा बजाज.
Mute your mic, Bajaj Fatima.
मैम.
Yes.
Also mic is broken.
Array, mute your mic. If you really have doubt, then just ask me. Then I will allow you. बाकी सब mic please mute. Still, someone's mic is not working properly and trying to speak.
That is Fatima Bajaj.
हैंग होता है चार्जिंग नहीं दिखते होता है और डट खाती
मैम
Yes.
मैं जो जो रोज फोन से जॉइंट होती हूँ ना वो फोन बहुत हैंग हो रहा है ना, इसलिए मैं ये वाला फोन से जॉइंट हुई हूँ और वहाँ पे माइक भी बंद नहीं कर पा रही, इतना हैंग हो रहा है इसलिए.
अच्छा. Okay.
कितनी भाई की माइक बंद नहीं हो रहा.
You can leave the meeting.
ओके मैम, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग लूंगी.
And now everyone has finished? Or do you want more time? All the girls.
No मैम 2 minutes. दो
Okay.
बाकी है मेरे.
You can see, you just have to first write the table of
Ma'am,
68.
I had done and the answer.
Or from tomorrow what I will do, okay, I will show you the table and then you just have to do division sum. Table will be already given. Means from tomorrow, not in exam. Exam में नहीं दिया होगा. Again, I'm repeating, we are showing this check your answer in only A. From B, we are not doing. Okay, just division.
Ma'am, my work is done, and can you say the answers?
Misa, will you give one name so that I can ask them? And please tell me the names from chat box only.
Ma'am, can I give Shani Fatima Zaina?
Yes, Sarah.
What?
Give me names.
Okay, Pathan Zaira Banu.
Pathan Zara, you have to tell me about 68 ones and twos.
68 1 is a 68.
Wait, let me complete the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you can say 68 ones and twos.
68 1 is a 68.
Yes,
68 2 is a 136.
yes. Okay, good. Now next name Zara.
Malkani Bushra.
Okay, Bushra, do you want to say threes and fours?
Baloj Miza.
Okay, Misa, 68 threes and 68 fours if you have done this table.
Ma'am, can I Baloj Miza?
Yes, Misa.
Okay, ma'am. 68 3 is 204.
Yes.
68 4 is 200, 272.
Okay, okay, enough.
Ma'am, can I now, Saima?
Yes, Saima, Faiza and
Malkani
Saima.
Fatima. 68 5 is 340.
Yes,
And 68 6 are 408.
okay, good. Now next.
मैं करूँ इंस्टा इंस्टा बोरा
Yes, Bora Inchia.
मैम
7th and 8th.
476.
मैम C87 is equal to 400.
Yes,
Then 68 8 are 544.
yes, Inchia.
544.
Who else is speaking?
मैम Malkani Fatima.
Malkani Fatima, don't speak. When your turn comes, at that time only
44.
speak. 544.
500. मैम मैंने 10 तक लिख लिया है.
Okay. Now just show who have tried and just written at least the table. First, who is showing?
I had done the
Pathan Zara.
Yes,
I
Fatima
saw
Zehra.
Insta बोरा.
First, Fatima Zehra Keshwani. And that table 68.
That I had not done.
मुमकिन ऐसे पठान जरा बनूं.
Ma'am, I can see Malkani Bushra.
Let me talk with her. Yes, Zahra. You have written that table 68.
No.
Okay. From next time, first write the table, okay, and then do the division sum.
Okay.
Okay. Now in here you can show.
मैम मैं देखा मालकानी फातिमा
First is Bohra in here issue.
वन मिनट मैम मैं देखा मैम मेरी स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट हो रही है जीरो था मैम मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है
हाँ, yes.
मैम दिख रहा है
Okay. Yes, yes. Full table you have written of 68. Very good. Very good, Inchi. Now, Malkani, what is your name?
Malkani Bushra.
मैम मालकानी फातिमा
Okay, first Fatima will show. Malkani Fatima. And everyone, whenever you show, try to directly show the book only. Not a wallpaper or any app, nothing.
मैम माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल
Okay, that table is visible, 68. Okay, good. Okay, now if you have not done division sum, then do that. Okay, tomorrow we'll do that.
मैम
Now Malkani
My
Bushra.
last lecture is of yours only ना.
What?
जो last lecture है वो आपका ही है ना, आप ही लेंगे ना.
हाँ. That's why I have sent all the PDF so that you can check that chapter
Ma'am,
3.
my screen is present. Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. You have also written that full table. Then that division sum you can match tomorrow whenever I will do.